as a congressman, is he representing the voice of his constituent? Yun ba yung pinaglalaban? We are watching Benny Abante. We've seen you perform sa Quadro, sa Committee on Good Governance and Public Accountability. We know that you are doing this for certain purpose na definitely hindi kasama ang welfare ng mga constituents mo at ng mga Pilipino. So, that's, di ba? Ano sabihin ko sa'yo? And, you know, I am just a private citizen expressing my grievance. Yung frustration ko sa trabaho na dyan sa House of Representatives. What do you want us to say? Bravo? I think that's ridiculous. I mean, you cannot take my rights. Yun lang yung meron tayo eh. Tayong mga content creator, tayong mga vloggers, yun lang yung meron tayo eh. Boses. And you want to intimidate us, you want to silence us. Why? Gawain ng abusadong tao yan. Gawain ng abusadong taong nasa kapangyarihan. You're not gonna be there forever, Benny Abante.
Si Sir,
Sige.
Sir